The Congress brass have held a meeting with Kerala Congress leaders. This meeting came after a row over Congress MP Shashi Tharoor. The Congress has clarified that there is no rift within the party. Congress General Secretary Deepa Dashmuni has, after the review meeting of the Kerala unit, said that the Congress is united, in fact, and there is no faction within the party in Kerala. Tharoor was standing next to her when she had clarified. Remember, there was some sort of speculation that was being circulated at the moment in terms of Tharoor having a rift with the Congress party and some statements that he had made. Then Tharoor as well had come out and clarified that there is no such rift and that he is quite content within the party. Now again, a review meeting has been held and the Kerala Congress has been called for the meeting as well, post which the Congress General Secretary has clarified that the Kerala unit and the Congress unit are united.
Joined by the General Secretary in charge of Kerala, you have, you were very worried because of the Tharoor fallout. I think now things have finally settled down within the party because he's clarified. And are you satisfied with his clarification?
Yes, what Shashi Tharoor ji has clarified, he has clarified very straight away, so there is no confusion on that.
And you have told him to speak in one voice and along with the unit not to, create, because the fight is from outside, not from within.
I don't know why you people are always taking Shashi Tharoor's name. It has been told generally to anyone who will cross the party line and say something which is going against our party. That warning and action should be taken. So it is not Shashi Tharoor or XYZ. So because there is a controversy recently by the media and by the translation of what he said, so it doesn't mean that no one, I will say that no one in the Congress party in Kerala state we can point out that who is pro LDF or who is pro BJP. Everyone is fighting against and everyone is fighting unitedly.